Hi guys, my name's Taylor Novotny. I am a current senior advertising and public relations major. Um, I'm from Omaha, Nebraska, and I'm currently an intern for Pillar Restaurant Group. Here, we'll get to a picture of me. There I am. That's what I look like. But yeah, so I work for Pillar Restaurant Group doing their like social media and marketing. I actually recently got that, but I really enjoy it. And I'm a bartender at Iguanas, which is on O Street in downtown Lincoln. So I mean, if you're around Lincoln for the summer, stop by and see me as long as you're 21. And that's kind of what I'm doing for the whole summer. I have traveled abroad. I've gone out of the country 3 times. I've been to Mexico, Jamaica, and London. And London was by far my favorite. And I've always wanted to go back and go all around Europe. I kind of have been wanting to plan like a backpack trip around Europe for a while after I graduate, but I haven't really got to that planning point yet. And so what prompted me to take this course is just the fact that I love to travel and I've always been open to working out of the country. I definitely want to get out of Nebraska once I graduate just because I've been here forever and I really like being places where the scenery is a little bit more beautiful and there's a lot more going on. I'm more of like a big city type feel. Um, and so that's kind of why I wanted to take this course. And what I expect to get out of this course is just a better understanding of what it would be like to work out of the country and kind of what um, it would take to get to that point. And also just learn the logistics of global advertising and all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to this short summer semester with you guys. Yeah. Okay, bye.